Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to uninstall AutoCAD in Windows 11. So I just got a comment from a subscriber that he wants to uninstall AutoCAD in his Windows 11 laptop, and he is not able to. I don't know why, because it is a very simple process, but I think he might have missed a few steps. So please note carefully all the steps that you have to follow if you want to uninstall AutoCAD in Windows 11. As you can see right over here, it is Windows 11. So it is a very simple thing. You just have to go to the start menu, select the setting option right over here. It might be differently placed in your sy- system as per your use, because this is customizable. So go to settings. After the settings get opened, your on the left hand side menus, you have to go to this sixth menu, that is apps, right over here. From this you have to go to this installed app menu right over here, which is first in the apps menu. Install app, uninstall and manage apps on your PC. That's what your go-to menu should be, the installed apps. So in the installed apps, what you have to take care that you have to uninstall AutoCAD completely. So any app related to AutoCAD or Autodesk, you have to delete it completely from your laptop. Only then and only then AutoCAD will be completely deleted from your system, and then you can reinstall or do whatever you want with your AutoCAD or whatever you want to do. So right, starting from right over here, AutoCAD open in desktop, you have to click on uninstall. I don't want to uninstall, so I'm just showing you how to do it. So press on uninstall. Then second is Autodesk Advanced Material Library Base Resolution Image Library. Press uninstall. Autodesk Advanced Material Library Image 2016. Press uninstall. Autodesk Advanced Material Library Low Resolution Image Library 2023. Uninstall. Autodesk Advanced Material Library Medium Resolution Image Library 2023. Click on the three dots and select uninstall. Autodesk App Manager, select the three dots, uninstall. Then the main Autodesk AutoCAD 2023 in English. Press on the three dots and uninstall. After that, Autodesk AutoCAD performance feedback, three dots, uninstall. Autodesk content service, three dots, uninstall. Autodesk featured apps, three dots, uninstall. Autodesk genuine service, three dots, uninstall. Autodesk Identity Manager, three dots, uninstall. Autodesk Material Library, three dots, uninstall. Autodesk Material Library 2023, three dots, uninstall. Autodesk Material Library Base Resolution, three dots, uninstall. Autodesk Material Library, three dots, uninstall. Autodesk Material Library Low Resolution, three dots, uninstall. Same you have to do with any of the apps that is related to AutoCAD or Autodesk. You have to press the three dots and then do uninstall in everything. Then and only then your main AutoCAD is going to get deleted, because this are or its support file. If any of the support file is there in your laptop, then AutoCAD will still be there, and you might be not able to uh, install the new cracked version of AutoCAD or whatever you want to do. So this was the simple steps that you have to follow to uninstall AutoCAD in your laptop. So this was a video because it was asked for, but you should not uninstall, and you should always use AutoCAD because it is the best apps among the computer aided drafting softwares. So yeah, thank you for watching and share it with someone who may need it.